Winter is coming. Hi, I'm Eric Lowry with the Lowry team and eXp Realty. And what in the world? I know you're thinking, Eric, spring and summer are coming. It's not winter. We just got through that, or hopefully we did. And I'm talking about in a real estate sense. And what do I mean by that? 2023 is going to be winter for a lot of real estate agents. What do I mean? How does that? What in the world am I talking about? I'm saying winter equals there are way too many real estate agents for the number of real estate transactions that are going to happen this year in our area and across the country too, for sure. And so for some real estate agents, it's going to be great. They're going to have a great year. Some agents are going to have, good year, good enough. It was fine. And there's going to be a section of the agents, I don't know exactly what percent, nobody does, but there's going to be a percent that have that, oh, you know what moment, like this isn't good. And so that's really what I mean when I think about winter coming, and I want to talk about what to do about it. So if that's the truth, winter is coming, oh my gosh, what are we going to do about it? We're real estate agents. We need to sell houses to make a living, right? What are we going to do about it? What's it going to take to make sure that we're in the first group, that it was a great year group, not even the it was fine, or certainly not the oh, you know what group, but what's it going to take to make sure we're in the great year group? And, here's where my head's at. It's going to take more. It's going to take more leads. It's going to take different ways of finding those leads. It's going to take more follow-ups to people. It's going to take more showings of homes. It's going to take more offers written to get one accepted. This is a year where it's going to take more. It's going to take new strategies. In particular, how I think about it is strategies around lead generation. How are you going to get more leads? How you get them now is just how you get them now. You're going to need more strategies around that. Maybe you just get your leads from your sphere of influence. That may not be enough to make sure you have a great year, and it's also not a way to have a predictable business largely around a real estate income where you want consistency every month. Referrals come and go. They seem to go hot in spurts and not so in others. And we need more leads this year more than ever to get what we want out of our real estate closings, transactions. So how are you going to do that? What are the strategies you're going to employ? Are you going to start buying some leads, paid lead sources? Are you going to just double down on doing more open houses? That can be a great strategy, except for in the environment we're at least operating in right now where there's so few listings, it's harder to make a living off of open houses. Not impossible, but harder. So what are those strategies to get more leads? Also, how are you going to do more follow-up? Does that mean just making more phone calls to people? Or are you also going to employ some strategies around text messaging? Are you going to get better at email marketing this year? Social media? Whatever it's going to take more of. Are you going to become more prospecting based rather than marketing? Or is it going to be some combination of both? I think it should be. But how are you going to work those two together? It's going to take you making a change. And that's the word people hate. They hate change, right? Nobody likes change. Well, this year it's going to require it if you're going to be in that group that has that great year. One thing I'm certain of, the same things done over and over again won't get us a different result. The same things just won't get us to the next place. What got you here won't get you there is the way a lot of people would say it. We've got to be willing and open to making some changes in our business. Big time one here, in our mindset, how we think about things, how we think about the people we're in business with, who we've partnered with, the brokerage or company we're involved with if it's not supporting what we need to get, if we're not getting out of that relationship what we need. But we've got to be open to change. And we've got to be open to changing, first and foremost, our mindset. I think more than anything, you need to have a strategy around making sure that you're feeding your mind with good things. You're learning more about the real estate business. You're learning more about the business of things. And you're definitely surrounding yourself with people that have that same positive and growth mindset that you need to have. So there you are. I think, there's a lot more detail to all of this, but in a nutshell, I think you need to have an open mindset. I think you're going to have to do more of all of these things that we've talked about. And if I can help you in any way, please feel free to reach out. You can always shoot me an email. Click the link down below where it's going to give you a chance to book a strategy call with me, which simply means you can click on that link. It'll jump you over to my calendar. You can book a time where we can talk about your real estate business, how I might be able to help you. And I'm happy to. I look forward to hearing from you. Let's make this still the best year we possibly can. I'll talk to you soon.